Okay, so here got my wig tutorial. First, I'm gonna start off by using my dome wig cap. I got an extra large because that's the only size that my beauty supply had, so I'm finna just use that. I always use a dome cap because I feel like it just lasts longer. It's a better material and it just fits so much better on my head. So now I'm just fitting it onto my wig, my little wig head or whatever. Okay, so here go this is my closure. I did tint the lace a little bit, but that's about all I did too, and I washed it. Now I'm just making sure that it fits nicely on my wig cap. Make sure that my lace is a little bit in front of my wig cap. Just a little bit, not too much, but just a little bit. Because you don't want your wig looking too far up on your forehead. You don't want that. So right now, I'm going to thread the needle. Threading the needle is really easy. All you do is just take the thread, loop it through, and tie it at the ends, and that's legit all you gotta do. So I just did that. I did it like 1 arm's length or whatever. So now I'm about to secure my closure down. Make sure it's super flat, because you don't want no like bumpy closure. You want it to be flat and laid. So I'm about to pin it down. Make sure it's nice and flat. I don't have any T-pins, but I do have little office, I don't know what they're called, but like little pins or whatever. I mean, they work like T-pins, so I'm just gonna use them. As long as you don't pull it too hard, they still work. Okay, so now I zoomed in so y'all can really see what I'm doing. Right now, I'm about to start sewing my closure down. I love to sew my closure down because, I don't know, I don't use glue for my closure. I always sew it down. So I'm doing just the basic sewing method. Like, it's super easy, you know. But make sure you're not sewing through the elastic band, because then your wig cap is going to be way too tight and scrunchy, and you don't want that. So make sure you thread in through the top part and not the band. Remember that. Okay, so right now all I'm doing is showing you guys my stitching. Yes, it's flat on point. It's flat. And that's how you want it to look. You don't want no bumps, no humps, no lumps, none of that. We just want it to be flat. Okay, so now we're gonna take our first bundle. I like to use this type of glue because it lasts so long, and even if you wash this wig, the glue is not gonna come off. So I like to glue my tracks down to my wig cap because for one, it's so quick and so easy. For two, I'm just lazy. I don't feel like sewing down my whole head. So whatever. It's up to you if you want to sew it, but I prefer just to glue it. I mean, either way, it's gonna last. So now I just I cut my weft, so I just measure it up from how I want it on my wig head. You can go all the way up to the closure, but I like to just like make sure the back is more poofy and fuller, so I don't go all the way around just yet. I think I do 2 rows of like this, and then the third one I think I go all the way up to the closure and continue on up. So I just like to glue it on, cut it, and glue it on. Okay, so boom, I glued it down. Now, as you can see, I'm almost done. It's like later in the day because I took a nap, but it's okay. As you can see a little U part in the wig. Almost done. Now, when you get this close to the closure, you want to start making sure your pieces are horizontal. I don't know if y'all can, like, y'all can see. It started going straight across instead of taking it from one point to the other. You don't want to do that no more. You just want to lay them straight because it'll help your closure lay down flat. It won't be no, like, you know, people be having their wigs, they be having this big old hump at the top. This is why, because they didn't do this step. So here go a little tip for y'all. Okay, so we almost done. We got like 2-3 more parts left. So now I just take the track. When I measure it, cut it, take the track, glue it, and just place it right up there. I like my spaces to be like kind of close together because I got a lot of hair. And y'all see at the end how I didn't even use like all the hair that I purchased. But that's okay because if my hair look a little flat, I just fill it in. So yeah. This is like a really simple, really easy tutorial. Like anybody can do it. Anybody. So right now I'm just pressing down the glue, making sure it stays down. And no tracks is coming up no time soon. Okay, so basically now we're done. I'm just releasing the closure to see how it all looks. It looks so good. I'm so proud. So glad to be done. This really didn't take me that long. It took me about like an hour, give or take, 'cause I took lots and lots of breaks. But I really didn't use all of my bundles, really. I had that much hair left, like a whole bunch of hair left. I had bought 3 bundles in the closure. And it still had a whole bunch of hair left. Don't worry, I'm going to use this for something like a ponytail or something cute. But that's basically it. This is how the wig looks. I didn't style it yet. Like, I haven't plucked it, parted it, curled it, none of that, cut it, none of that yet. But it's a whole nother video. Let me know if y'all want a video on that as well. But this is just me, how I basically make my wig. If y'all want to see how I style it and make it cute and wearable, just let me know. What they call me, promise that you never be alone.